Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you doing? I'm back again with a new video. So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. So I don't normally do my makeup. I've been not doing my makeup since like a couple months because of course skin problem. I still have it. I've got white patches and I'm breaking out, so I generally avoid putting on makeup. But today I just feel like doing makeup, so I was like, why not make a video? So today I'm gonna show you how to do my makeup, and also my next video will come out soon. I'll show you some outfits and things like that, and also I want to cut my hair. My hair is pretty long, so I'm decided to cut it. I would do a blunt cut, so it's, as you can see, it's like a tail. I don't like tails, so I'm just gonna cut off 3 to 4 inches, I guess. I'm not really sure. Let's see that in the next video. But now I'm gonna quickly brush my hair. I'm gonna use white tooth comb to brush my hair because my hair is pretty rough and it's pretty tangled. It doesn't look like tangled, but then it is actually, so I like to use white tooth combs. So now I'm gonna take these clips. I've got like 2 pairs of these clips. One is this, the other one, let me show you. These, I bought both of these pairs from like SAROJINI market, and this all looks like I am in love. It's like, it says kiss, so I just love this kind of clips. And I keep buying them. I've got a load of them. If you want to see like a haul or anything like that, or like my collection, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to show you. And yeah, I'm gonna put this on so I can keep my hair out of the way. So this is what I usually like to do my hair like. I like to do the middle parting and then put on these kind of clips. They look so girly and sweet. So yeah. So this is how my hair looks like. Now let me show you my makeup really quick. The first thing I would do is like put on this face moisturizer. It is by Kati India Herbal Day Cream. So I'm gonna put that on. So now I'm gonna just simply blend this in like that. Now I'm going to take color corrector. Since I don't have a color corrector, I'm going to use a lipstick. And the lipstick is going to be, I lost the cap of this, but this is how it looks like. It's a pink lipstick. I usually use red one, but then I don't have a red lipstick, so I'm using this one. So what I'm going to do is like, put it right here. So you just apply this wherever you have like darkness, I guess. So it looks even. I don't like dark chin and light cheeks. I don't like that. Either it should be all dark or it should be like all light, even skin, because that makes your face look nice. So I'm done putting on this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation. So this is like 338 in the shade Spicy Brown. It's by the brand Fit Me Maybelline foundation brush, which is this one. This is by the pack. I bought this off of Amazon online. I bought this off of Amazon, and I'm gonna just pump out a little bit like this, and this is how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna simply apply it like that. It's a bit like dark to my skin, but that's fine. I'm gonna have it on. I don't know what's causing my skin to be so dry. I'm not gonna do anything on my eyes because I've got really serious problem with eyes. If you can see, I've got S-type problem, so I'm not going to do anything with my eyes. I'm gonna leave it like that. So the powder I use is this one. So it's been like so many months since I've been using this. So since I stopped doing makeup, it is still there. So I'm done with powder. Now I think I'll use a little bit of blush. Let's use that. Okay, I forgot to talk about this brush. I bought this from Rajari Garden Market. I love this. Is so soft. It is just as good quality as the pack one, and pack brush was for 450 rupees, I guess, and it was for 150 only. So you see, you can find really good deals in I'm saying Sarojini, in Rajari Garden. So make sure you check it out. What I'm going to be showing you is how I blush my cheeks. So this is the brush which I bought from Pack again, online, Amazon, and this one from Gafar Market, Karol Bagh. And I'm gonna use this pink blush today. I'm gonna simply pat over my cheeks like so. Blush is so girly, I like it. I love putting blush on. Okay, this is how it looks like. I'm not gonna put a lot. I think this is fine. And now the most important thing of makeup is lipstick. So I'm gonna use some random lipstick. I'm gonna use liquid lipstick, I guess. And this one, I think I'll use this matte Me. I'm not really sure from where I bought this, but this is how it looks like. Whenever I see lipsticks like this, I definitely pick it up because I like the bottle, and then the lipstick is really nice. I mean, the quality is really nice. Now my makeup is completed, and I think I look much better with makeup on, and this is how my face looks like. I think it looks nice. Okay, I forgot to do my eyebrows. Let me quickly show you how I do my eyebrows. Right, I use it as eyebrow pencil. I like to draw it. Okay, it's too noticeable. Alright, I've got really thick eyebrows. I've never done my eyebrows in my entire life. Yes, people get shocked when they hear this. It's the makeup, and this is how I look with makeup on. So the next video is about how I cut my hair. So make sure you watch my next video. It's going to be up soon as well. And this is the hair. And this is how I look. So guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.